is Saturday morning, May 21st. In our devotional, before I start my devotional, if you haven't checked out my video from yesterday evening, go check it out on Signs of the Time. Some interesting stuff in there, I think, in my opinion. But go check it out if you ain't checked it out yet. But this morning, in our devotional, it says, "My unclaimed gifts." Matthew chapter 6, verse 21. "Where your treasure is, there your heart will be also." Ephesians chapter 6, verse 8. "Remember that the Lord will reward each one of us for the good we do." Proverbs chapter 18, verse 16. "A gift opens the way and ushers the giver into the presence of the great." 1 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 9. "No eyes has seen, no ears have heard, and no mind has imagined what God has prepared for those who love Him." Romans chapter 12, verse 6. "We have different gifts according to the grace given to each of us. If your gift is prophesying, then prophesy in accordance with your faith." James chapter 1, verse 17. "Every good and perfect gift is from above, coming down from the Father of the heavenly lights, who does not change like shifting shadows." 1 Peter chapter 4, verse 10. "God has given each of you a gift from His great variety of spiritual gifts. Use them well to serve one another." And at the bottom, it says, "What is the greatest gift that you have ever received?" Maybe it's people in your life, your spouse, parents, or children. Maybe it's something physical that you've been dreaming about. Any island holiday. Maybe it is the day when God's grace was put before you, all wrapped up, and you could not resist it. Perhaps the Bible opened up a treasure trove for you, or a talent. Come today and count all of God's wonderful gifts for you. Take hold of all the gifts He has in store for you today. And that is a good one, because He has a gift, or more than one, for each and every one of you. Each and every one. The greatest gift that He ever gave me is coming into my heart and saving a wretched sinner like me. That's the greatest gift that He's ever given me. And I can never, ever repay Him or give Him enough for what He done for me. He's worth a sacrifice every day, right? Go back to our challenge. I hope you all have done our challenge, or maybe continue doing it each and every day. Sacrifice one thing for Him each day. But I love you guys. He's so worth it. He's so worth it. I always say, I don't know what my purpose is here on this earth. God knows my purpose, and I always say, I don't know what it is, but I wish He would show me my purpose so I can get it done and I can go home and be with Him. But He gives each and every one of us gifts. So talk to Him and ask Him what your gift is. Okay? But I love you guys. I'll keep this short this morning. I won't ramble on this Saturday morning. This beautiful Saturday morning. I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. The link is down in the description box. And on Mondays, I do a Revelation study group. Okay? So join us and let us know your thoughts on the book of Revelation. Okay? I love you guys. And that's all I have. If I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye, guys.